Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log in Call of Duty mobile account with Facebook. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded Call of Duty mobile game on your mobile device and then tap it out to launch it on. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. If you're using Call of Duty mobile game for the first time, then you can go ahead and choose any one options that is provided on this page. You can continue logging in with your Call of Duty account if you already have one. If not, you can choose the option to sign up and start up with the game. Apart from that, if you already have a Facebook account, you can use the sign in with Facebook option and log into your Call of Duty mobile game with your Facebook account. Similarly, if you happen to have an Apple ID, you can tap on sign in with Apple. In today's video, we are trying to log in with Facebook, so let's tap on sign in with Facebook option. Now, tap on the continue button to allow the app and website to share information about you with Call of Duty. Tap on continue to do so and it'll take you to facebook.com. You'll now need to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in order to connect to Call of Duty mobile. So go ahead and enter your mobile number or email address followed by your Facebook account's password. Now, after typing in your email and password associated with Facebook account, tap on login. Now, after it is connected, tap on continue as your Facebook name and wait for a few seconds, and that should be able to log you in to your Call of Duty account via Facebook. If you're trying to log in with your Facebook account for the first time, it'll help you create a character. Along the way, go ahead and type in a name, desired name, if you want to change to any, and tap on OK. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Call of Duty mobile game with your Facebook. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.